Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Out here again in the garage, kind of fooling around with this wiring. Don't have least bit of knowing what I'm doing, but I'm figuring it out as I go along. I've wired this car before. Obviously it isn't running for a reason, but I'm trying to do it the right way. There's some wires underneath the dash right here I need to plug in, and thanks to my shoddy wiring job last time, this is going to be fun. So I need to get in under here. You probably can't see that, but there's a bulkhead up in here. The C100 plug for these cars. I need 2 wires off of there. A little dark, but yeah. I need to grab those wires and wire them into the new harness. So it shouldn't be too hard. It's 2 wires. I just need to unplug the connector, which is in the engine bay. Yeah, so there goes my shitty wiring job, and that connector is right here. There it is. So I just need to unbolt that, or I can be lazy since I already cut the wires and wire those into the harness, but I'm not gonna do that. I want to kind of clean this up, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. So see you in a little bit. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see that, but those 2 wires, red wires right there in the middle of the screen, are what I need to get power to. That wasn't easy getting to, but I got them. So now I'm gonna wire these up right now. Let's see if I can get the camera in here. Completely off. Alright, both wires are off. Camera is having a hard time focus, but there goes the wires completely stripped. Those 2 red ones right there. So it's kind of hard to get the camera here to film this, but good God. It's pretty dope to see this. Let me see if I can get it to get on again. I didn't unplug the battery. Let me plug that back up and then try it again. Alright, so I got the battery plugged in now. This key's a little tricky, but there it is. It's popping up the security light and the features again. So it's nice to see that after so many years. We got little lights. I think the hazards are working too. Let me try those again. Alright, Cry, don't prove me a liar. Guess not. There we go. I think I just need to tighten that button up. We got hazards. There it is. Alright, so yeah, don't look at my shitty wiring job. I'm not gonna even name down there. But we got power for right now. I'm gonna reroute these wires because definitely a hazard right there. But it's nice to see these lights light up. I don't even know if this dimmer switch works. Let's see if I can remember correctly. Oh shit, it does. It's hard to see it, but it lights up. Oh no, it's hard to see it with my naked eye, but it lights up on camera. Cool. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. There it is. Now I just need to wire up the alternator and the starter. I don't know if I'm gonna do that right now, but yeah, got some power now. All right, so I do need wires, more wiring for the to wire up the starter and the alternator the way I like. So probably gonna get some of that right now. Then that'll probably be another video, but it's moving along, and I know it's slower than I would like, or anybody who's actually following this build would like. But yeah, I thank you guys for that. Appreciate it. If you are entertained by this, I know I'm not all energetic because you bro will be tired when he's out here working on this car. I'd be tired before I even start. So hell. But yeah. We got some of the wiring done. We got some power to the car and to the actual engine harness because I can hear the sensors in the computer turning on. So it's pretty dope. I do need to figure out the fuel pump's good in here, like I said in every video, like before this one. I still got to figure out how I'm going to go about that. Kind of want to remove all this interior carpet first before I start routing wires where I want. Right now it's just kind of a mock-up to see if shit's working. So shit is working. I'm happy with that. So, hell yeah. So like I said, thank you guys for tuning in, watching. Appreciate it. Yeah, thank you for the support. The people that talk shit also appreciate you. But yeah, hopefully now that things are moving along in my actual life outside of the camera, we can get this thing going right now. So let's do it. All right, y'all. I'm out of this one. That'll do it for now. But remember, please be safe. Don't add or subtract to the population. And most importantly, don't do drugs unless you're sharing. So you guys take care. Peace.